Share the screen. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is ES Futures live trading session. It's great to have you here if you are watching this. We are 7 minutes to IB close. That is, IB stands for initial balance in market profile terminology, and IB is first 1 hour of RTH session. So in 6 minutes we will close IB. Our trading decisions are based on IB close, how IB is formed, how the price has opened with respect to yesterday's profile, and that will decide what is the open type. Then we will have some predictions about the day type, and we take trades accordingly. This is my 5 minute candlestick chart, and this orange line is VWAP. So the auction is so far is very low volume, and the VIX says that you need to be really careful. It's sporadic price movement. That means low volume. The order book is not heavy. It's very light. So even a small movement will make a big jump. So we need to size down. That is the first and foremost precaution. IB range is very narrow. It's just 10 points or, yeah, 14 points, 15 points. It's not wide at all. as as you can see, the price is moving very slowly, and it has the candles have wicks on both the sides. So, and also the price is at VWAP. So what you should do, stay away, don't do anything, just sit on the sidelines. Simple as that. Okay, IB is closed now. 1 hour past. 1 hour since the RTH session open. So this is open. Open is here at the 64.6950. Open test drive, because the low is not taken out, so we call it as open test drive. But since the IB range is very narrow, we will not put the playbook of inside range open. Yeah, this is yesterday's Friday's range. Very a long range. So inside range open test drive. We have a playbook for this, but we're not going to apply as it is given we have IB, very narrow IB. We will see how the auction plays out. The volumes are low. Another caution we need to be aware. The playbook trades will work nicely when we have good volume. This playbook trades are needs to be taken with caution, with a lot of caution on low volume days. Sometimes they even don't work at all. They may even work in a reverse way. So we need to be very careful. Size down, tighten your stop losses, then watch how your trade plays out here. Prices at VWAP, not at the IB high or IB low. So there's a high chance, we go back to IB high according to playbook. But again, how do we take it? So let's say I go long here. I need to be very careful to place my stop losses, very tight stop losses, so that it will do the job. And also the entry is also very important with respect to how far it is from the IB high. 76.75, just 5 points away. So 5 points, 1 mini, $250. 5 points down, 66 around this. Stop loss here. So 1:1 it will become. So your best bet could be, if you wanted to play it safer and with more conviction, you better wait the price to drop below VWAP, then you take long. That will give you a better risk reward. Only if the price comes down, you can take the trade, by the way. Otherwise, be patient and look for the opportunity. Looking at the price action of the overnight session purely based on price action, nothing to do with the market profile, I see this area has a lot of stops, shorts. They put the stops here. So this session might go and eat those stops. So stop run could happen, but that is purely based on um, price action and catching the stops. Yeah, stops are here. This zone. Okay, price is coming down from VWAP. I may take long around here, targeting IB high. Again, very tight stop losses. Did I miss the entry for long? Maybe, but be patient. Don't try to catch the running bus. You have plenty of opportunities. You only need few points to close the day in green. You don't have to rush that. I put the trades quickly and make profit and just leave. No, it doesn't work like that. You need to look for really good risk reward place to enter trade. Okay, I'm going long here. Long. Target is IB high. If I'm confident, I may keep until this point as well. I'm long 64, 69, 25. Of course, the stop is low of the day. Probably I will add one long here to my existing position if the price comes here so that I can target with two contracts for this target. And for that new one, the stop loss will be half of this candle, below the half of this candle. 72.50 if I comes there, so I'm going to put a limit long order there for one more contract, 72.50. It may push quickly, that's why I'm putting that, because of sporadic price movements. Your entry point gives a lot of strength to hold your position, even if it is in losing for some time, even if it is in loss for some time. I have one more position long at 72.50. I have currently one open position, one limit order long at 72.50. 70 to 50 order got executed. Now I am long two contracts. And for the second one, the stop loss is half below the half of this. So what is the range of this second candle? 67 is still doing. So I take it as 67.72, 5 points. So half of 5 is 2.5. 73, 74 minus 3, 71. So around this point, 71, 70, 75 is stop loss for the second one, or a little bit lower than. That is half, but we put lower than. So 1 point below, 69.75 is stop loss for the second position. For the first position, the low of the day is the stop loss. Now we have two contracts long. Target is high of IB for one, and for another one, this stop run. 79.75 is target for the second trade. We're not looking at the profile chart because it is just range bound. So you don't see much difference how the profile is elongated or not, nothing. So it's just properly distributed. 69.75. This is the stop loss for the second trade, and this is the stop loss for the first trade. Stop loss of the second long trade is hit 69.75. We still have one contract long. We go long again. Stop loss is below this. 69.25 again. We put bit lower than that. 68.25. 68.25 is the stop for the second trade that we just entered. For the first trade, it's still the low of the day. Two contracts long. This price action tells me a cautious thing here. There might be a chance there's a one candle with big wick here, long candle, then push it up. That gives them more stops, eating the stops, longs, and then taking the push ups, uh, breaking the IB and going further up. I'm anticipating there might be a small, big drop here, then just reverses and go back. The main reason for that analysis was they're spending more time here, not breaking IB. So whoever long thinking like me who are wants to break IB, they have stops here, here, like this, right? So they just push down, eat the stops, get more into their bags, and then go long. They can do that as well. For that reason, I had to move my stops a little bit down. It's high chance its IB is going to break. Okay, but how they break it is very important. So let me move down my second trade stop loss further down to 66.25. I moved my second trade stop loss to 66.25 and first trade stop loss is at 63.75. Still for the first trade, the target is this, the high IB. Second trade target is 79.50. 79.50, yeah. If they do stop run for the longs by bringing down the price like this, then it can go further up because they're loading and then pushing it up. They want it to get paid. So to how the longs get paid by moving the price towards north. We are few ticks away from IB high, but they may not do it. As I said, they may bring it down fast, then take it up. Let's see what they do. These are just two different scenarios. That's it. They may bring it down to get the stops, long stops. Yeah, see, bring it down. They may even bring it down further. They wanted to eat long stops. That's why I moved my second trade stop loss further down. I know it's a bit high risk, but the price action tells me that it's going to go high even if it comes down for some short period. Yeah, they're eating longs stops. They didn't break IB. They just took the price just near the IB high and pulled back. So this tells me they will. I can move the first trade target even further high now. I moved to 78. I moved to 78. My target, first trade target. IB high is reached. IB is broken to the top. Yeah, superb. I moved my first trade target to 78. Let's see if it hits. They just ate some, not much. I thought like price may come down here to eat more. They eat more, then they go up very high. They eat less, there's only less. One tick shy of my first target, 78. It went up to 77, 75, and then staying there. Let's see, I'm still holding. One target is 78, another target is 79.50. Yeah, 78 is done, and another one is 79.50. And I'm moving my stop loss to break even. I have one long left now. Target is 79.50. Stop loss is 73. I can move the target to 80, 79.50, right? I can move to 80. Yeah. $74.80 is my target for the second trade. It hit the price, but my order is not executed. 64.80. My order is still on. Please go back and sell it off. Done. Superb. That's a clean playbook trade for open test drive. An inside range open. Patience, perseverance, conviction gives you some money. We have noticed for the second trade, second long trade 72.50, we went long, we got the stop loss hit. When the price comes back, we enter again long because we have the conviction the price has to move up. We They just came and eat my stop loss. I don't mind. That's fine. What if it just drops quickly? We are safe, protection. So that's fine. When the price came back here 73, we went long, targeting IB high, and also overnight stops are here. So yeah, people who short at this time like 7:30 London, um, they are short. They made money and they put the stops here. Maybe they be thinking further down the price would go, but RTH New York people came and they just okay. Let me eat your stops. Boom. That's playbook trade, and I would say that is all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this session and you got some knowledge. Please share with your friends and please leave a comment. I wanted to know if you have any questions. Just leave a comment. I will try to answer. And happy trading.